Today's topic is the bee and the little girl. One day, the bee was out collecting nectar when she came across a little girl who was crying. "What's wrong?" asked the bee. "I am lost," said the little girl. "I can't find my way home." The bee decided to help the little girl find her way home. She flew her all around the forest looking for her house. Finally, Bee found the little girl's home. The little girl was very happy and thanked Bee a lot for helping her. Moral of the story is we should help others whenever we get a chance.